Please stop eating the seed, put the seed in the ground so your people can eat. Yeah.
What's up, guys? So today we are going to discuss how to lose weight quick. Everybody wants to lose weight quick, right? Everybody wants to lose weight quick, right? I mean, who wants to actually put in hard work, dedication, and really, reap the benefits of working hard? Nobody, right? In the case that you're wondering, how do I lose weight quickly? I can't get there. I'm trying to get there, but I don't know where to start. This video today is dedicated to those of you whose goal is to lose weight, but really it's for all people who have a goal at all. So if your goal is to gain weight, is your goal to just live a healthier lifestyle, is your goal just to be consistent in any type of lifestyle, or even if your goal is just to enjoy the process of any journey that you have, this video is for you. I grew up around my grandmother. She loved to garden, so her front yard was always decked out. She would be out there working so hard, and I just admired her hard work and her dedication. I mean, she would get plants and she would get flowers and she would get vegetables all from one small seed. It was one seed, and she just in her mind already saw that she would reap the harvest if she just planted it. If she just planted the seed, that's all she needed to do. She just knew, like, I'm gonna plant the seed and it's gonna produce all of these flowers, or it's gonna produce this tree, or it's gonna produce this vegetable. Like, no matter what it was that she was planting, she always knew that it was going to produce what it is that she originally desired, or her goal. My grandma, one thing that she would do when she was planting vegetables specifically is she would take that one little seed, she would plant it in her garden, and she actually had a designated area that was just for vegetables. So what she would do is she would plant the little seed in the garden, cover that up with soil, and she would water it every day, go out there, take care of it, pull the weeds out. Then once the vegetables would blossom and bloom out of the ground and produce themselves and present themselves, she would hurry up and actually go pick them, because if she didn't, there were a couple times that she had to learn her lesson, because she had animals all around her neighborhood and they were in her backyard. I mean, there's deers back there, possums, raccoons, all types of things. So she had all of these animals in the back of her yard, and she had to hurry up and actually find a way to keep those animals out of her garden. So she would use like this cage looking type thing, and she would use a wire cage to cover her plants. So even while they were growing still in the ground, not even showing yet, she would cover the vegetables so that when they did start to bud, or if they did start to grow out of the ground, the animals wouldn't be able to get to them. So let me explain and break it down. Seed is a thought. It's a goal. It's something that you are striving for, because just like that seed, when my grandma planted it, when she planted it, she already had the idea of what was going to come out of it in her mind before she even planted it. So in the same way, if your goal is weight loss, make sure that you keep that image in the forefront of your thoughts. Just like losing weight is a thought, you need to make sure that that thought is a seed and it is in the forefront of your thoughts. So before you even plant it in your heart, in your mind, in your actions, make sure that you are clear on what that goal is. What happens for a lot of people and why they don't get to whatever goal quickly is because they plant the seed in the ground, then they start seeing some leaves come out of the ground, and because it no longer looks like the seed that was covered up by soil, they're like, oh, I'm good, I'm just gonna settle right here because this is all I need. But no, like if your goal was to see the rose bush, why stop when just a little leaf pops out of the soil? Like, keep going, because that wasn't the original thought or the original vision that you saw when you planted the seed. Step number 2, you need to fertilize that seed, that thought, with faith, focus, and drive. You need to remain confident in what it is that you're doing so that you can reap the benefits of this seed. 3, you need to water it with daily discipline, consistency, persistence, and dedication. Water it, water it, water it. I don't care if I look in the mirror and I still feel like I look the same. I'm watering it. I'm taking it one day at a time. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop, because just like my grandma, she knew in her mind that she wanted that rose bush. She knew in her mind that she wanted that cucumber tree. She knew in her mind what she wanted. And so if you have a clear vision in your mind, a clear thought in your mind, then all you need to do is make sure you are watering that thing every day, taking it one day at a time. Only worry about today. So when today comes, you're only worrying about today. You're only worrying about what you have to accomplish for today. Today, your goal is this. So today, I'm trying to eat healthier. Today, I just want to accomplish not going out to eat to McDonald's, or I just want to accomplish not going out to eat to Subway. Like, I just want to make sure all of my meals that I eat, I cook them myself. So today, I'm focusing on today. Once I win today, then I'll focus on tomorrow when I get there. But focus on each day at a time. Your thing may be working out every day. Do you need to work out every day? Oh, I just need to make sure that I walk 1,000 steps a day. Whatever your goal is, every day, just like planting a seed and watering it, make sure that you're just focusing on one day at a time. Cool? Cool. And the last thing, number 4, you need to use the wire net. Cover up your seed, protect it. See the wire net as a reference of protection. So you need to protect your thoughts from negative thinking, protect your mind from the predators. That's what those animals were. They were predators trying to take out the seed before it fully came to the fullness of its potential. I need you to do that. I need you to completely just make sure you protect your mind from the thoughts that you think. No self-sabotage, no, self-defeat, no bashing yourself, no self-hate. We're not doing that. None. This is not like last time. You are going to overcome, and you're going to make it to each and every weight loss goal that you have, each and every health goal that you have. You're going to make it. But it starts here. One day at a time is where it starts. And that's how you get there quickly. It's not what you want to hear. It's not a quick pill. It's not, lose 20 pounds in 10 days. This is not that. This is a true lifestyle change that takes one effort at a time, one goal at a time, one seed at a time, one thought at a time. You just have to go after it one thing at a time. And you can get there. I know you can. Repeat. Take every day, one day at a time. Don't be in a rush to get to this goal. Just breathe. You're doing a great job. You're gonna make it to that goal if you just take it one day at a time and maximize each day that you have. All right, you guys, I hope that I helped, and I hope that everything that we talked about is beneficial to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I want to hear if this helps you. And I want to even hear what you got from this story. And what stories do you have that help you remember to take every day, one day at a time, so that